Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMUC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice day today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and good solid volume. The majority of the volume coming in later on during the day. So I'm assuming there's some sort of news release or something out. But regardless, a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 32 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 32, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits down there at 30 cents. So near term, 32 cents, 30 cents, the levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture of things, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very straightforward point of view in terms of you're saying, look, Clay, just tell me how to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move, just use that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, no doubt about it. Again, preferably speaking, price staying above 32 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those right now because in my opinion, top priority by far is not breaking levels of resistance. It's all about building higher bases, because as long as the chart is building higher bases over time, everything else will take care of itself. So all in all, nice move today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.